Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now the next question is on portal governor. In the question it is saying that when the portal governor is running at equilibrium speed, what it is saying, when the portal governor is running at equilibrium speed, the friction at the sleeve will be. Now we need to understand the direction of the friction on the sleeve. See, we all know that this is a portal governor and portal governor is having the sleeve, we all know that, and this is the spindle axis, okay, and the sleeve will move in the upward and the downward direction. Okay, this is the link which is going to be connected on both the sides. Okay, now see here, this is our spindle axis, this is our sleeve, and when the sleeve is in upward direction, if it moves in the upward direction, when the sleeve is moving in upward direction, we all know that there will be a friction in the downward direction. So the friction would be in downward direction. Okay, when the sleeve is moving in the downward direction, the friction will be in upward direction, because friction always opposite to the direction of motion, we all know that. But when the portal governor is running at equilibrium speed meet at a position, it is running at equilibrium speed, the friction at the sleeve will be zero, because it is not moving upward in the downward direction, it is moving at the equilibrium speed, so friction at the sleeve will be zero. So for this question, option D would be the correct answer. Okay, if you want to know the we all know that there is a force of this is the mass of the sleeve, capital M, that would be mg. So we can divide into mg by 2, and this is mg by 2. Okay, this is just for simplification of our calculations. So if I'm talking about the downward force on the sleeve, so that would be mg plus minus f by 2. Okay, plus minus f by 2, because the friction may be, since when the sleeve is moving in the downward direction, we all know that the friction is working in the upward direction, so that's why we can consider minus sign, because mg in the downward directions and the friction is the upward direction, so both are in opposite directions, so we can consider minus sign. But when the sleeve is moving in the upward direction, then there will be a friction in the downward direction, and we all know that the weight of the sleeve always working in the downward direction, so that would be mg and friction both are in the same direction, so it would be considered as mg plus f. Okay, so that's why that's how we can decide the plus and the minus sign according to the direction of the motion of the sleeve. Okay, so basically for this question, when the portal governor is running at equilibrium speed, the friction at the sleeve will be zero.